Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making a special video today on a surprise birthday present for someone special here in South Louisiana. This person is being gifted this beautiful 1956 Johnson 10 horsepower, fully restored by T-Mike. I'm out here doing the Bayou test run on her, and she is magnificent. Magnificent. Came out really good. So I'm gonna tell you now who this is for. This beautiful gift is for Garrett. Garrett, you're getting a great birthday present from your mom and dad, Charlie and Cindy, are surprising him with this motor. Let's take her out and give her a test run on the Bayou and see how she runs. If everybody's ready, here we go. Okay, Garrett, got her out here on the Bayou. She runs pretty good. Runs pretty good. Starts up. Don't even have to choke it to start. It starts right up. I've been running her about 10 minutes right now. She pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 16 miles an hour. Really nice. Let's give her a run. She runs good. Check out the reverse. Reverse works good. Let's take her for a run again. Garrett, congratulations on your birthday present. She's a sweet one. The 1956 10 horsepower Johnson QD-17. Ready for pickup. Happy birthday to you. Aye.
The day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!